Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy COQ coin. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser, and in the search bar, you will have to type CoinMarketCap. Once done, you will be landed on the CoinMarketCap website, where if you search for COQ, then you will be able to see its current price. If you scroll down, you are going to see that it is based on Avalanche C chain, and if you scroll down a little more, you will be able to see all of the exchanges on which COQ is available. As you can see that it is available on Bybit, KuCoin, BitGet, and you can even get it on your wallet. So in order to get it on your wallet, you will have to open your wallets, such as you can do it in your Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, or in the Phantom wallet. So let's say you want to purchase COQ on Trust wallet, then you just have to launch Trust wallet application, and then in the search bar you will have to type AVAX. Once you have found AVAX, you will have to tap on it, and then you need to make sure that you have AVAX coin in your Trust wallet if you want to purchase COQ. If you don't have it, then you will have to tap on the buy button, and after that you will have to tap on buy with credit card, and then you just have to conclude your payment in order to get AVAX coins in your Trust wallet. Now once you have it, you will have to come to the home page again, and then you need to tap on this browser tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, in this search bar, you will have to type traderjoexyz.com. I will put the link of it down in the description box as well. So you just have to click on that link and you will be redirected on this page. Now over here, you will have to click on trade. After that, you will have to make sure that you have connected your wallet. So you will have to tap on connect wallet, and after that you will have to select Trust wallet. Once you do this, you will have to click on AVAX in the from section, and after that in the to section you will have to select your token. So you need to tap on select token option, and here in the search bar you will have to search for COQ. Now once you have found COQ, you will have to enter the amount of AVAX that you want to swap with COQ. After that, you will have to click on the swap button in the bottom, and this way you will be able to easily purchase COQ coin. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.